Hi, and welcome back to Living in Central Texas. This modern mansion on the lake in Belton, Texas is priced at $1.7 million. It features just under 5,000 square feet of living space, high-end finishes, a pool, and the most breathtaking views. If you've been with me for a minute, you know that I love showcasing spectacular luxury homes, and today's tour is no exception. If you love luxury homes just as much as I do, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and click the bell icon so that you can stay up to date on luxury home tours and all things real estate here in Central Texas. This is a 4-bed, 5-bath home with a study built in 2022 on 2.35 acres. It is actually 4,791 square feet, just under that 5,000 square foot mark. It is huge and it is very functional. As you can see from the exterior, the front of this home is just so striking with very contemporary feel, white stucco exterior, and really well done landscaping. This is a 2-story home with a super open floor plan, high ceilings, and custom size windows. Actually, no matter what room you're in, you can just really see how bright and beautiful everything is with the amount of windows that they put in this home. To me, the windows in this home really make this home. They let in so much light, and practically every room you can view the lake. So they did a really fantastic job with that, and it just really adds to the overall elegance of this home. The main floor has the primary bedroom with an expansive walk-in closet. The ensuite bathroom is very luxurious with a modern vanity, double sinks, a walk-in shower, and large standalone soaking tub. The office is downstairs, but the 3 additional bedrooms are all located on the upper floor, each with large windows, walk-in closets, and magnificent views of Stillhouse Hollow Lake. A gas fireplace sets the stage in the living room, again with so much of that natural light, really spanning the deck across the entire backside of the home. Take a look at this gorgeous kitchen with stainless steel high-end appliances, quartz countertops, and a view to die for. There's also a 700 plus square foot game room above the garage, equipped with a state-of-the-art golf game simulator with direct access to a half bathroom as well. As you can see, I am not a golfer, but I gave it a good swing. Outside, you'll find a backyard oasis with an outdoor kitchen, a private cabana overlooking a perfect gunite pool, all overlooking that beautiful view of Stillhouse Hollow Lake. This is one of my favorite luxury homes. I can't wait to hear what you think. I mean, just check out this view. If you would like more information on this home or any other homes in the area, you can find all my contact information below. And if you would just like more information on relocating to the area, you can download my free relocation guide. Till next time.